That's the 22nd of February. 11 degrees, 16:29. The mic's too high, had to roll the mic down. Using the wee cordless DJI mic. We're at Castlerock, aren't we, Luna? But did you want to tell everybody the problem we're having today? We forgot your harness. We're down with the Caravan and we're going to do a wee bit of camping. Mic's still too loud, Luna. It doesn't help. We're going to go out now to see it all, we're going to see. But because I'm not going to put a lead around her neck, like. So this is the plan. This is the plan, Luna. I'm going to go out and scout first. And then whenever it's clear, I'm going to open the door and you're going to get straight across that road onto the beach. No messing about now, okay? But it's packed here. It's packed down here. This folk haven't seen sunshine. This mic's going too loud. I'll lower it down. Shouldn't be at my ankles now if I put it much lower. Maybe that's loud once you get outside. Cars everywhere, Leonard. Cars everywhere. Can't even get the door open. Oh, hold on, Leonard. Panicking. Oh, door's locked. Come on out, Leonard. Hi there. Hey, Leonard, I'm on the beach now on the sand. That makes that roll down, I'll end up losing it. Try it there, we'll try it there now. That's here now. Blue skies, dry, sun shining. I didn't think this place was as packed as it is. I didn't fancy walking now. I would have walked there a wee bit, but I wanted to get the caravan left up in its proper place and levelled off. I had no chance of that. I was lucky to get that space there. But by the time we get a wee walk down here, people want to go home for their cup of tea, for their dinner and all. So, 5:30, 6 o'clock, they'll be getting hungry. They'll be wanting to leave. Well, I'll take a wee walk down to the end of the beach, down towards the pier, and play ball with this wee one here. And then, there are a couple of wee pups over there, so you might get playing with them. They haven't got leads on them. So look how packed this beach is now. We're in February, and there's dogs and people all mixing and everybody's happy. And then come the summertime, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 pups up that way, 5, 1 that ain't written up, and Luna's 6. So there's 6 dogs, and this bit of beach is banned for dogs in the summertime, all having fun. And then there's a pile more down there, like. Luna wants to play ball. Bit of sand blowing here, so we'll keep it close to the water and we'll play ball down the ways, and then we'll come back up, we'll come up through the sand dunes. You don't get no wee sand in your eyes there. Look at the Luna. She loves Castlerock here. Tell you what, it's a right wee breeze here. Sand is blowing, like, sand is blowing. We're down now and listen to the noise of the sea. I'm walking along to the sea. I'm not doing tummy rubs. No, I'm throwing ball. I'm tired, Luna, tired. Tummy rubs will be done in Caravan later. You know what, we'll put my hood up. I am putting my hood up. Maybe sunny, maybe blue skies, but it's a chill. I'm not doing that tummy rubbing now. The Sunday was saying to me, my sister was saying to me, that Luna was overdoing these tummy rubbers on the beach. She's teaching you bad habits, she is. Exercise, that's what beaches are for. I guess you would bring a dog to the beach on a lead. Your woman can barely hold it, or the man can barely hold it. Ah, Luna! Luna, man! Lena, you ball! Atta girl! Atta girl! Come on, give me a ball, Lena. Lena, your ball! Lena, your ball! Drop your ball! Drop your ball! My turn! Oh, stop tipping here, Lena. This is going to be a long video, this here. If you're going to keep flopping down your tummy, it's going to take us a long time to get down bottom of the beach. So, me and Lena will spend the next 5 hours going down for this beach, and then we'll tip when we get down to the pier. What do you reckon, Lena? There are another 3 dogs, 4 dogs coming up on leads and one going in. What's wrong with people, Lena? Like, why are they coming to a beach to walk a dog on a lead? Your man is going into the water, the dog's pulling him into the water, he's no control at all. Oh. Well, I can't put Lena on a lead, we haven't got our hand on us. While on a post is snuffed there, Lena. You spend the whole day snuffing all them posts. I might keep you away from these pups here, Pet, there's too many of them. Lena! Hey. The sister has taught Lena this bad habit of rolling over. She was always a good runner on beaches. She's trying to get a bit lazy, hasn't she? Because she doesn't like doing a lot of walking. That's what I reckon. That's what I reckon. And we do one rubby tum, and then we're going around this beach. Oh, you see, that's what happens. That's your arm getting up and down all the time, Lena. Come on, drop your ball now, we'll throw it. You're the one that has to get tired out. Oh, the sea's coming after me, Lena. The sea's coming. Oh, God, fuck, still coming yet, boys. The tide's coming on, Lena. The tide's coming on. Definitely coming on now. It's like the Sahara Desert here, the way the wind's blowing. It's blowing the sand the wrong way right now, it's making the beach smaller. That's a girl! I don't. Why would you give it to me? I don't understand you, Ted. I'm trying to get the ball of her for ages, like. And then she goes up to a stranger and actually drops it in front of them. What's all that about? When I get down the end of this beach, I am going to sit in the sand dune and I am going to relax. Then I can just do what she wants. I'm going to lie in the sand dune pit. I'm going to watch the sun go down, even though it's behind me. I'll watch it getting darker. I'm not doing no more rubbytums. No, everybody else gets throwing the ball, and I get a rubbytum. There we go. You ready? I would say about 10-15 years ago, there was a bad storm here, and it took away a wild lot of sand. There was virtually a cliff off the sand dunes. You couldn't get on the sand dunes. A wide pile of sand had disappeared. And they put up this wee fence and all to keep people off the sand dunes for the sand dunes to restore. But look how much sand is near up the top of the fence. It's funny, isn't it? Like, that's what, like, if people just don't interfere, nature starts to sell out. So them bits of wood weren't catching sand, they would just stop people walking over the sand dune because it would just kept collapsing. Now the sand has all come back. I've just remembered, I have a packet of mini eggs from last Easter. They're in my box freezer. I'm going to open them up now when I get down the bottom of here. No drink with me, it's in the car. When I get down the bottom here, I'm going to treat myself with some wee chocolate eggs. They're in the freezer all year, still good. Tell you what the freezer done, but it broke off the outer shell. The wee hard shell on them. The freezer busted. But apart from that, edible. Look at the shape of you. Oh, no way, you're tired. No, you're just trying to... Well, we got all covered in sand. All covered in sand. Yeah, that tummy's so warm. Feel the heat of that tummy. Hey. I'll be happy now just lying in the caravan, having the chips on, and Luna lying beside me, and then do a wee midnight walk. But we haven't got our parking space yet, pet. I'll wait for all the day trippers to move. Oh, wee puppy, Luna. What is that? We want to play ball? Wee Coco. Right then. I think he plays ball, Luna. Try to play ball, Coco. Luna. On we go. Where's your ball, Luna? My turn. Wee Coco's not a very good runner. He's getting puffed out there, Luna. He was getting puffed out. I was saying have another wee run like, but he can't run like you. That wee bit of run was puffing him out. Okay, we're going on to a wee oldie age, you don't know, Luna. Maybe getting on a wee oldie age. Coco mustn't like big Alsatians because she's holding on to the harness now to stop him going over and attacking another dog. Or that, or two of them are locals. They know they don't get on each other. Anytime you get a log or something on a beach, every single dog pisses on it. Comes the meeting point. Now, it took her half an hour to get through all the peas. And then she'll probably do one herself then. There you go. That's her contribution. We're almost at the end, Luna. Oh no, I got no more tummy rubbies, Luna. There's not too many. I must have a word with you know who. She's overdoing it with you. She's teaching you bad habits. Time and place for everything. Come up now to the river Bann. You never, ships and all can go up there. Boats can, you can go the whole way up. They put her down by going through that river there. Fix up the Loch Ness, past the blue-green algae that kills everything, and on to Portadown. But very rare do you come here and never see a boat. I seen a sailing ship one time going, and the waves weren't very big at the mouth, and yet you see the boat going over the waves. It looked colossal. So I don't know what to do on a rough day. Luna, I'm going to get a wee sunny spot now over in that sand dune. And I might put, now you have to make your own entertainment, because if I give you that, you'll lose it. You will lose it. Don't say you won't, because you do stuff like that. Everybody else is just, if you look there now, the sun's blinding me, like, blinding me. I'm looking out at the sea. And I'll go over here. That must be a World War II hut down here. I've never noticed that before. There's one on the far side. World War II bunker. So that must be one there too, isn't it? Never noticed that one before there. You don't even know if it's the right way up or nothing, I guess. I sit over here now, eat me wee Easter eggs in it. You can make up your own entertainment. Sit here for 15 minutes anyway. Full 15 minutes, Luna. Oh, tell you what, the sand's freezing cold. She's left her ball over there. You see, that's what happens, Luna. Luna, where's your ball? We can watch the sunset over there, you know, behind that sand dune. Wouldn't think of so many people out, would you, in February? Wee balls away. Go on, Luna! Luna, your ball! Luna! Over there! I was going to lose a ball. Luna, your ball! Oh, that wee hound's going to get it. Luna's going to lose a ball. A squeaky ball. Hound's back past it. You know, pups are supposed to have brain sniff and all the rest. They can't even see a ball in front of their nose. I'll put it in my pocket. All I found is the same colour as the sand. The sand's sticking to it. Tennis ball is better than the beach. Now that's got my pocket now. You can play with them wee other ones. Hello, pup. Hello, wee beagles. I've never met a nasty one. Maybe someday I meet a nasty one and change my mind. I think there's lovely wee pups. They don't bark, they make a wee howl noise. Go play the wee Springer now. It's a good place, yeah. I'll just sit here and run out, play with all the locals. Oh, he's got a wee tennis ball. You got your wee tennis ball, pet? I don't let that Luna want a ticket. You coming back down again, are you? I'm eating my last wee chocolates. Luna, your ball! I don't know if a wee rock to sit on. A nice wee comfortable rock. They're all sharp to edge. That one might do there. Luna, ball! Come on. Oh, something that's rock here, Luna. Oh, what's the waves coming? Will you play ball? How about that? Go on, Luna! Oh, just in time. Just in time. I'm going to extend my pole here. Put this into the sand and see if we get nice wee shots of Castlerock. Sand's way thick there. Way hard. Oh, and he lost my mic there. Oh, the camera stands up the water, the mic doesn't, and the mic's sitting on top. Oh, I was going to lose my mic. Falls under the water. Can't trust them DJI mics and waterproofness. Oh, I'm dodgy one there, boys. I lost my mic. Oh. There's a wee boat coming down the river Bann now. Wee cruiser. Luna is halfway down there. She wants to play ball among them rocks there. Luna, why don't you play in the rocks yourself? I can't throw a ball in there. So you see even the way it's bobbing about now, there's not a wave in that water and it bobs about. And every time you get, we're too far away now, but when she meets the Atlantic there, she will be tossed up in the air. It's going very slow. Like all they're going to do now is either go to Port Rush or Castle. I'll see what way they turn. Unless they're going to Buncrana somewhere. You don't know these things. Sligo. You don't know. I was going fishing. They'll probably just go out there and sit. A couple of feet. Oh, he's turning around now, he's not going out to the sea. We have a boat crash too here if you hit them rocks. Well, maybe he's going to buy the boat and take him for a wee test run. I think I'll be handy with a wee boat this summer, he's thinking to himself. Seen that one there, Auto Trader? You don't know. I think if you're test driving a boat, you'd want to put the welly down and see how fast it goes, wouldn't you? Listen for any rattles. Oh, that's all excitement. Oh, look. You ain't playing the rocks, pet. I can't go down there, pet. Why don't we head back over the sand dunes? The sun's going to be in a rise now, pet. The sun is going to be in a rise. We'll find a wee path through the sand dunes here, pet. Not this way. You see, walking over the sand dunes is not so bad. It's walking in the front that destroys them. Come on, it.